गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। इस क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है ए बॉडी ऑफ मास 4m इज लाइंग इन XY प्लेन एट रेस्ट। ओके, सो if we create the same situation, so this is a plane, so this is a plane. Okay, let's draw the coordinates. So now this is the floor. Okay, so at this floor this object has been at rest. So this is Z, this is Y, this is X. Okay, so now कहा गया है that the mass is 4m. This is 4m. Okay, so it suddenly explodes into three parts. Two pieces each of mass m moves perpendicular to each other. So दो जो मास है जो एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर में मूव कर रहा है. ओके, सो लेट्स ड्रॉ. This is the mass 1 and this is the mass 2. Okay, so they both are perpendicular each other because 90-degree angle between them. Okay, so for this object let's take this is 1, this as 2. So they both fly perpendicular to each other with equal speed, that is v, and same mass. Okay, their mass also is same, that is m, this is also m, and the velocity is also same, this is v, this is also v. Okay, so this fourth part has been divided into m and m, so the resting part will be 2m. So the third part will be moved like somehow assuming this direction. Okay, so this will be the third part whose mass is 2m, and velocity, the velocity we don't know, so we can take is at v dot. Okay, so now उसमें पूछा गया है the total kinetic energy generated. Okay, so at initially what was the momentum? The momentum of this object 4m was 0 because initially it was at rest, u is 0. So if we take the help of law of conservation of momentum, it will be initial momentum will be equal to the final momentum. Okay, so initial momentum is 0 and the final momentum is momentum of these three masses. So for mass 2 and mass 1, their momentum will be mv plus mv. Actually we can take their resultant. Okay, so हम लोग को सेपरेट लेने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो इन दोनों का अगर रिजल्टेंट हम लोग निकालें, so the resultant will be as per the vector rule, the resultant momentum, that is PR, will be equal to root over mv square plus mv square. Okay, so that will be mv root 2. So this will be the resultant momentum of these two masses. So now if we put this mv root 2, and for this third mass, that is 2m, so for this 2m mass the momentum will be 2m into v dot. Okay, so now from here if we find the value of v dot will be minus of mv root 2, so it will be minus of mv root 2 divided by 2m. So m and m will be cancel out. This will be v root 2 divided by 2. So this, after more simplification, this will be v by root 2. So finally जो 2m ब्लॉक है उसका वेलोसिटी वी कैन फाइंड दैट v by root 2. ओके, so अब we can proceed that the total kinetic energy. So the total kinetic energy generated, so the total kinetic energy will be the sum of three kinetic energy of these three masses. Okay, so for this masses, this will be, for this mass this will be half m v square, and for second that will be half m v square, because v and v both are same and mass are same. And for the 2m mass, this will be equal to half m v dot square. Okay, so that will be come out to be mv square plus of half m, what is the mass of this block, that is 2m. Okay, so this will be the 2m, this mass will be the 2m. So this will be half into 2m into, what is the value of v dot value is v by root 2 square. Okay, so this will be mv square plus mv square divided by 2, so that will be 3 mv square by 2. So our the total kinetic energy total will be equal to this 3 mv square by 2. So if we check the options, or option B will be the correct, that will be the 3 mv square by 2.